Libon, the best app for calls review. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store, search for Libon app. This is the app you'd be looking for, Libon calls and recharge. So basically as you can see, this is a free app and you can make international calls from this app and many more. You just have to install the app, sign up, and done. You will be good to go. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.